Okawo loch odiochieng' mar adek odiochieng' mokwongo mar piem mar goyo abal e buore Nairobi. Piem ma obagi e skund primar ma Kiota. Little Fish olo maromo midila 23 ma oriwo 18 mag mula, 7 mag silver kod 8 mag bronze. Korka nyiri Little Fish bende oyudo midila maromo 39.
The competition was tough and I would want to improve. The gala has been successful.
I find this competition very, very tough and very competitive. Next competitions, God bless, I hope for more glory.
And I encourage parents out there who have children who are differently able, we call them neurodiverse children, to come participate for this event. They expose their children, they get to learn from the community, and they take part from the community.
PIPSA has been very good to us, especially coaches, in terms of exposing our learners and showcasing our talents to in our learners. We also want to thank Genesis Sports for being our sponsor, and we are here to compete and win.